a short video on the concept of alligation. This is used when result is given and ratio has to be found. For example, in what ratio should 30% and 80% alcohol solution be mixed to get 50% alcohol solution? The result 50% is given to us and we have to find the ratio in which the two different solutions were mixed. In such a case, alligation ends up saving some serious time. So look at this question. The concept is write the two qualities on the top. The qualities are 30% and 80%. Then write the result in the middle. The result is 50% alcohol solution, and then take the difference 30 and 50 and 80 and 50. Don't worry about the sign, just take the difference. 30 and 50, the difference is 20. 80 and 50, the difference is 30. So we get 30 and 20 as the differences, and therefore the ratio in which these two solutions were mixed is 3:2. And remember, 30 refers to the quality that is above it and 20 refers to the quality that is above it. So the order also matters. The answer is 3:2. There may be an answer choice saying 2:3. That would not be correct. 3 corresponds to 30 and 2 corresponds to 80. An intuitive way of looking at it can be 30 and 80. See, the average is 55. But the result here is 50. That means the 30 quality has to be higher because the result is inclined towards 30. This was the concept, guys. GMAT shorts are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please refer the stage 1 videos. Thanks for watching.